Hello everyone, welcome to Mobile's Techland. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a spotlight effect in Photoshop. First, we'll create a new layer and change the blending mode to overlay. And choose rectangle marquee tool, and we will create a rectangle and we have to resize it to fit the light. And then click gradient and we have to choose classic gradient. Then tap this and you can choose different color. I'm going to match the light color, so it's orange. Then simply click the right side and change the opacity to 0. Now we'll put a straight gradient line holding shift. Then press Ctrl T on your keyboard and right click your mouse to choose perspective. We will simply reshape the gradient. Choose the marquee tool and tap so it will deselect. Now we have to blur it out, so we will choose Gaussian blur and you can play around. I'm going with 20 to 25. So that's it. It's pretty easy, but you have to understand the process first. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching.